So right there I'm just explaining what you need to cook biscuits in the Fireside Convection oven. You'll need your oven, your biscuits, tinfoil, pan, and just a fire area and matches. So what you do first is to set up your oven. If you have any questions on how to set up the oven, in the top corner there will be a link that explains how to set it up. Once the oven is all set up, you want to make your pan for the biscuits. So you want to take the round tray and shape the tinfoil around that to make sure it will fit. Make sure the sides aren't too high, and then spray some non-stick on it, and then get the biscuits on. In this case we could only fit 5 onto it, and there were 3 extra, which is no big deal, because once you get the oven preheated, it stays pretty hot. And then you want to light your fire. You want the fire to be both underneath and above. You want a healthy bed of coals and a nice amount of flames up top to really give the biscuits its color. At this point, the biscuits have been in for about 10 minutes, and we've just kept turning them, adding firewood. One thing about the heat box is the coals fall down into it, which is very nice. So you just want to keep adding wood up on top. Once again, you just want to keep turning it once you see the sides get brown. So at the 10-minute marker, we take a look, and they have some color on them, but they're not quite done. They're still a little bit doughy. So after putting some wood on the bottom, wood on the top, turn it a little bit more. They're ready to check again. And by now it's been about 20 minutes and they are done. So I'm able to take those out and put the new ones in. And the oven is already preheated, so these went a lot faster. The old biscuits went for 20 minutes. It took 20 minutes to cook. And now these biscuits have been in for roughly 5 minutes when I take my first check. So right here they've been in 5 minutes and they've come along really well, really fast. They still don't have quite as much color, but that comes. Alright. By now I'm letting the fire die down. I'm not building it up quite as high so we don't get as nice that brown color. But after 10 minutes, I do notice they're done. So the ones closest to us took about 20 minutes, and the ones farthest took about 10. Now they have very nice color on the top and the bottom, and the inside isn't doughy at all. And that bite was really good. So we check all of them. The tops are really nice, and the bottoms aren't burnt, they're perfectly cooked. And then same thing with the other ones. Alrighty, I hope you guys enjoyed that video and it helped you know how to use the Fireside Convection oven. If you enjoyed that video, you can check some of our other ones out on our channel. We'll be doing cooking some cookies, some orange rolls, and some pizza. So subscribe and stay tuned for those. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time.